Dear students, lesson number 8, The Musicians of Bremen. From this lesson, we have for today to learn the question answers. So, let's learn and write the question answers. And you can copy them in your notebook. B main answer the questions. The first question, what did the donkey's master say? So, let's write the answer for this. What did the donkey's master say? So, the answer is the donkey's master said that the donkey's master said that the donkey was useless. The donkey's master said that the donkey was useless, comma, as it had grown old. The donkey's master said that the donkey was useless as it had grown old. The second question, why could not the dog work? Why could not the dog work? Let's write the answer. The dog could not work. The dog could not work because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because it had grown too old. It had grown too old. Third question, where was the cock sitting and what it was doing? What was it doing? The cock was sitting. Where it was sitting, children? The cock was sitting on a gate. Remember, the cock was sitting on a gate. And what it was doing? And crowing. C-R-O-W-I-N-G, crowing. The cock was sitting on a gate and crowing. Fourth question. Where were the four friends going? Did they get there? Where they were going, children? The four friends were going. The four friends were going to. Do you know the answer where they were going? They were going to Bremen to become what? Musicians. M-U-S-I-C-I-A-N-S. Musicians. Did they get there? But they never got there. So let's read the answers once again. What did the donkey's master say? The donkey's master said that the donkey was useless as it had grown old. Second question, why could not the dog work? The dog could not work because it had grown too old. Where was the cock sitting? What was it doing? The cock was sitting on a gate and crowing. Fourth question, where were the four friends going? Did they get there? The four friends were going to Bremen to become musicians, but they never got there. Let's proceed and write the next questions. The fifth question, who climbed onto the highest branch? Who climbed onto the highest branch? The cock. Who climbed, children? The cock climbed, or you can say the cock perched, P-E-R-C-H-E-D, perched on the highest branch. You can write the cock climbed on the highest branch also, or else the cock perched on the highest branch. Question number 6. Who saw a light in the house? Who saw the light in the house? The cock saw a light in the house. The cock saw a light in the house. 7th question. Why did the 4 friends go into the house? Why did they go? The 4 friends went. The 4 friends went into the house. The 4 friends went into the house to eat the food. Where food was kept? To eat the food kept on the table. Kept on the table. And the last question we have, number 8 question. What did the robber who entered the house think? What did the robber think? Who is there inside the house he thinks? The robber, you can write the answer. The robber who entered the house. What did he think, children? The robber who entered the house thought that there was a terrible, T-R-R-I-B-L-E, terrible witch. There was a terrible witch, W-I-T-C-H. There was a terrible witch and a devil and a monster. There was a terrible witch, devil and monster in the house. The robber who entered the house thought that there was a terrible witch, devil. Okay, you can just write terrible witch, devil, man, M-A-N, man, and monster in the house. Just I will write it properly so that you will not be under any confusion. Just write here. There was a terrible witch, devil, man, and monster in the house. So let's read the question once again. So let's read them. Man and monster. Okay, number 5. Who climbed onto the highest branch? The cock perched onto the highest branch. Number 6. Who saw a light in the house? The cock saw a light in the house. Why did the 4 friends go into the house? The 4 friends went into the house to eat the food kept on the table. And number 8. What did the robber who entered the house think? The robber who entered the house thought that there was a terrible witch, devil, man, and monster in the house. Homework for today. What is the homework? To learn these question answers and write one time very neatly in your notebook. So do the homework neatly.